Welcome to our next tutorial. So today we'll concentrate on our Android next tutorial. What is WebView and Android? How to deal with this? So for that, just here I'm creating one new project on the name of WebView. So meanwhile, while project loading, we'll discuss about that. What is WebView? So just I'm creating first one project name called as a WebView with empty activity only. So just I created as a WebView app. So in a Java only, we are concentrating first here in a Java only. So now we can discuss what is WebView. WebView is nothing but sometimes we are showing directly web page into our application, but that it could feel we have an Android application itself. So that how we can manage this kind of situations. Normally we'll face in payment gateways and some other kind of such applications we used, but how that we are using now, we can able to check here now within this application. So wait, once this app is loaded, just I'll take one WebView and will apply as usually with data binding for this application, and then we can able to run this application and we can load some of the web page into this. Then we can check this how that web page has loaded in your application, that we can able to check here this. So still it's loading. Wait until it's load, we will able to check this. So here just component, which is a basic component of Android. It's in this UI activity, and activity just I'll take this basic widget that is as WebView. So that is a basic widget only. Just I'll take the basic widget with the ID. Then just I'll open in on create itself. Just I load one of the URL into that application. Then I'll show you this how it's loading the data into your application. So this project is loaded here. So first here I want to change this to some of the other layout. So I don't want this constant layout here. So I'm taking as a linear layout with orientation as vertical. Then here I'm applying layout that is as a data binding. I'm applying here. So here I applied that. Then in this I'm taking the one of the component that just I told, that is WebView. So match parent and match parent, because I want to show this on entire page. So both I'm taking height as well as the width as a match parent. Then I'm taking the ID as web view. So I'm closing this. Now here in a Gradle file, we need to apply as a data binding. So here I'm enabling the data binding, that is data binding dot enabled equal to true. Just I enable data binding here. Just I'm clicking on the sync now. So once here data is synced, then here in this application we can write very simple. This is very simple way we can write this. So here I'm writing this. So just I'm writing this. First we need to enable here data binding. So that is activity main binding something binding. Then here we need to map this equal to this binding equal to data binding util dot set content view. Then here we need to add the context main activity dot this. So then now here we need to add this binding dot WebView dot. So get settings dot JavaScript enabled. Then binding dot load URL, that is a WebView dot load URL method here. So in this we need to load one of the URL. So I'll take this URL from here, one of the here. I'll take my website URL itself. So I'm taking my website. So here I'm adding this. So whenever we are adding this, it's required internet connectivity. So we can able to write here internet connectivity on your manifest file. So in your manifest file here you can write this users permission, that is internet. Yes, we can add internet, but if your application wants to work in a 910, you need to add this clear users clear text traffic. This you need to add this. Now I'm running this application. See, once we are running this application, we can able to check now this output. So how this has performed here, we can able to see here now clearly this. So just I'm opening this visor. So this is a visor. So in this visor application we can able to see here. Once it is run, here we can able to see our application with that particular website. From the website we can perform the actions as well. See, let me wait until it's run. So still that application in progress to run. Yeah, it's installed. Once it is installed, we can able to check here output. See, now application has loaded here. See, wait. So this is website, my complete website has here. See, now we can able to scroll up, scroll down. See here, from here I want to perform something action. You can perform something. So that also it can be enabled from here. This. So this is about this. So even though sometimes user could not be accessed from here, means if you want to disable the user here, so then JavaScript enabled here you can write as false. Means here if you don't want this user want to edit, you can write this, then user it's only readable page. If you write this directly only load URL, it's a only readable page. If you enable this JavaScript, then it's a it means user can open another links on the particular page. Now it's only this loading page. I cannot perform any action from here. I cannot load any of the data from here. Only it's a viewable page. Cannot perform anything. This is about this WebView in Android. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.